and I am going to be reviewing Who Is Stevie Wonder. It's a very good book. Yeah, his real name is Stevland Judkins. Okay. That's his real name. Okay, I'd go by Stevie Wonder too if I had that name. Okay. And the next thing that I'm going to be telling you about is I learned his first recording contract was when he was 11. That's like 11. 1 year after 10. Yeah, I can count. Okay. The third thing. 1, 2, 3. Let's do this. And he is really cool. Yeah. Yeah. He could tell the difference between coins when they dropped. Coins. So, comment down below what coin. Coin 1. Coin 2. Coin 3. And coin 4 is. Coin 1, the name. Coin 2, coin 3, coin 4. And just all their names. And if you get it right, I will like your comment. Like and subscribe to your channel if you have one. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty much all. This is a cool boy. Cool dude. And he's blind also. Oh wait, no, it's not all. I still have a lot more. Okay. Number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, let's turn it off. Okay. Also, he was really influential. Influential in making MLK Day a holiday. I get off a skill for that. Thank you. Okay. Yeah. So that's a good. That's good. Thank you, Steve Jenkins. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. And number 5. Can't believe I didn't stop at 5. That would be good. But okay. He did all of his amazing that's not music. Musican. What? I need some help. What is that? Musician event through his. He was blind. He always wears black sunglasses. Yeah. I could say this wrong. Okay. If you have a Who Is book, or Who Was, Where Is, and What Is, whatever, book that you want me to review, comment down below and still subscribe. Okay. I'm going to end the video there.